I left school in '78. I was fortunate enough to have an apprenticeship with British Airways from '78 to '82, which was a fabulous training. From then I would then move to Edgeley's, building the Optica. Not many people know too much about that aeroplane, but I spent a few months there. It wasn't for me production. Moved back into maintenance at Eagle Beach, at Watford, Leavesden, which I think is now the Harry Potter film studio. Then moved from there to Plymouth and set up Plymouth Executive Aviation, which was an aircraft maintenance organisation with a partner, solely set up to support the King Air, which we became obviously specialists in and still are today. And then became part of Gamma in 2000, and we've grown the group globally as Gamma. So it's been a really exciting 30 odd years. I'm still passionate about what we do. The industry's growing, and there are apprenticeship schemes now being developed, which are getting back to the type of apprenticeship that I would have done with British Airways, and I think the future's bright for any youngster. The skill set, I mean, to be fair, the skill set is for today's generation, because if you look at the modern avionics, it's the PlayStation generation. I mean, I'm a bit of a dinosaur, and I'm stuck in the old analog era, but if you look at the modern day aircraft today, it's all touch screen, and it's very, very similar to the PlayStation, and some of the youngsters that would be able to pick that up so easy. But then, mechanically, it's spanners. It's still spanners. It always will be. And I just believe it's a fantastic trade. It's a great career, and it's very well paid.